MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The items that I will be using in today's video is hair clips, the olive oil thermal protect and shine, a paddle brush to brush out the hair, and the wig that will be featured in today's video is the Kinky straight headband wig by a company called Sdamey Hair. I did a previous video introducing this wig to you guys already on my channel, but today's video will be me curling this wig so that you guys can see that this wig can be worn in multiple ways. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is secure this wig to the mannequin head so that it will not move as I am styling the wig. Then I'm going to go ahead and section the hair into two, and I'm going to put one side of the hair away just so that I can work one side at the time to avoid any hair getting in the way and any type of confusion. This kinky straight texture on this wig is absolutely amazing, and the luster on this wig is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the olive oil thermal protect and shine, and I'm going to spray that all over this section of hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my paddle brush to brush that product in to make sure that it distributes through all of the hair in this section. Now I'm going to go ahead and section off the bottom section of the wig, and I'm going to curl this wig going up row by row. The curling iron that I will be using in today's video is the Conair Infinity Pro curling iron, and this barrel is a 1-inch barrel. Now I love using this barrel because the curls will not be too big and they will not be too small. They will just be perfect. Now as I curl each piece of hair, I am going in and using some duckbill clips to hold the curl in place while the curl cools, just to make sure the curls will last as long as possible while I'm wearing this wig. Now as I do each row going up on each side, I do curl each row in the opposite direction. Now the first row I did curl away from the face, and the second row, as you guys can see, I am curling towards the face of the mannequin. Now the reason why I curl in two different directions as I go up row by row is because by doing that it gives you the maximum amount of volume once the curls are set. And I love my hair to be extra voluminous, so this is what I love to do whenever I am curling my wigs. One thing I do want to mention is that this hair is kinky straight hair, so it does take a lot for this hair to keep a curl because of the texture. So even though I am curling the wig, these curls will be more of a loose body wave type of curl instead of an extremely tight type of a curl. Now if you guys do want extremely tight curls on this texture, I will recommend using flexi rods and having the hair set overnight. By using flexi rods, this hair will definitely hold the curls for a very long time. Now I am using a curling iron like I stated before, so these curls will be more of a body wave type of curl. I do want to go ahead and talk to you guys about this hair and my experiences with this wig over the last month. Now, what I am going to start off by saying is that this wig is my everyday go-to wig. This wig does it for me whenever I want to throw on something and go really quickly out the door. This is that wig for me. I absolutely love the texture of this wig. The luster is absolutely beautiful. I do not get much shedding with this wig at all, if any. And I know this wig is in the length 26 inches, and a lot of people get very intimidated by wearing a very long kinky straight wig. But the way Sdamey made this wig, they made it to where you guys will feel absolutely comfortable with wearing this wig every single day. Every time I wear this wig, I get compliments. This wig is absolutely beautiful. One thing I do want to also mention is that even though this wig is long, it is absolutely lightweight on your head. This wig does not require any type of maintenance whatsoever unless you guys decide to style this wig in a different way, just like I am doing in this video. So what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and link this wig in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. This wig will not disappoint you guys. You guys will fall in love with this wig just as much as I did. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up curling this side of the wig. I'm going to come back and show you guys what the wig is looking like after I went ahead and pinned up all the curls. Then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I go ahead and apply the wig to my head and show you guys what the finished product of this wig will look like when it's all done and completed. This side is looking like after I went ahead and pinned up all the curls. I did not spray any hairspray on this side because I do not want the wig to have a really hard hold. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of this wig off camera. This is what the entire wig is looking like after I went ahead and pinned up all the curls nice and neatly. I did not go ahead and spray any hairspray on the hair because I do not want a really hard hold for these curls. So I am going to go ahead and begin styling my hair to apply the wig so that you guys can see what it looks like. So stay tuned. I already went ahead and applied my wig cap to my head. Now I'm going to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm going to use this to swoop my edges. Now, I rave about this product in just about every video that I style my edges in. This Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade is my absolute favorite product to use on my edges. I love that it doesn't leave my edges looking really hard. This specific formula does not leave my edges looking white. This formula was specifically made for thick and coarse hair, so they really took their time to design this formula, and it is different from the original formula, which is more of a clear pomade in the container. This one does have a dark brown kind of resemblance in the container, so there is a difference between the regular pomade, so keep that in mind as well. But I am going to go ahead and use that to slick my edges, and as you guys can see, my edges is looking nice and swooped. I love this stuff on my edges. Now, before I apply the wig, I am going to apply the headband that I'm going to wear around my neck, just so it doesn't pull on any of the curls. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the headband wig to my head, and I am securing the straps in the back as well as the Velcro straps that comes along with the headband in the front. I am going to go ahead and strap that in the back as well. Now, once I have the wig all nice and secured, I am going to move that black strap back a little bit behind my edges, and this is what the wig is looking like once I apply it to my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove all the duckbill clips from the hair, just so we can see what these curls are looking like. And this is going to take me some time, so I am going to go ahead and remove the remainder of these clips off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys what the curls are looking like once all the clips are gone. This is what the wig is looking like after I went ahead and took out all of the duckbill clips, and as you guys can see, these curls are super duper bouncy and super duper lightweight. Now I'm going to go ahead and get up close and personal so that you guys can see the texture of this hair and what the curls are looking like. And as you guys can see, they look absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. I just love this hair texture. Now this is my slow-mo so that you guys can see the movement of this hair. And add my yellow headband to the front section of my head, and as you guys can see, adding a headband of your own is the perfect accessory to any headband wig, and it just elevates the look. It just makes the look pop even more. I just love headband wigs. They're so easy, so convenient to wear on a daily basis, and literally is no effort to apply onto your head. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my